hate it when you sit here recording and then realise that you didn't press record? Welcome to my channel, A Life in High Definition. How are you all doing? I hope you're well. I hope, unlike me, you are switched on. This is my unboxing of this month's Pip Box. I am excited because this Pip Box is the second birthday edition of the Pip Box. Congratulations, happy birthday guys. Hope you are having a good time. Celebrations, balloons, the works. I really like getting birthday editions because I always feel like there's going to be extras in there, there's going to be exciting things, it's going to be worth more, you know what I mean? There's going to be some sweets or something. I always feel like brands go all out for their birthday. So I'm excited that this is a birthday edition. This box is £18, which is a bit more expensive than most boxes. I will put my referral link on screen, which you can use if you want to, and the details will be in the box below as well. However, it is including postage and packaging, and it is cruelty free and vegan. All the items every time. And I do expect that vegan products are a bit more costly to make, and they're usually from smaller producers, a lot of products made in the UK, so I get that the costs are higher. But the boxes we get are usually quite good value. If you want to see what's inside, you know what you need to do. Give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell. Don't forget you can subscribe to my channel, and when you're done, share the heck out of this video. Alright, let's get into it. Let's give me my second look, but you your first look. There we go. Right, also we have this, your trial offer, 3 issues for £5 of Simply Vegan and Vegan Food and Living. And these are the codes you need. You can call up or do it online using code PIPBOX to get your bargain magazines. Let's see what they say about their birthday edit. Welcome to our birthday edit. This month we celebrate 2 years of the Pip Box. Over the past 2 years, you have helped us donate thousands of pounds to charity to help end animal testing. Thank you from the bottom of our hearts. Bring on year 3. And as always, 50p from the sale of the box has been donated to the charity Animal Free Research UK. So let's get back into it. When I opened the box, what I smelt was amazing, and what was amazing was this from Bloomtown, and it's a shampoo bar, lemongrass and peppermint balancing soap bar for hair. Oh, it smells so good. With nourishing avocado oil, carefully crafted with the perfect balance of natural plant oils to gently cleanse hair without drying. Essential oils of peppermint, lemongrass, ginger and rosemary will leave your hair smelling and feeling fresh and clean. I love Bloomtown. I've loved everything I've tried. I love their ethos. I love that they are palm oil free and that they're encouraging more people to be palm oil free. I love that they're made in Cornwall. And I saw them the other day on Dragon's Den, but I don't think they got a deal because they thought that all the stuff that was good about them, you know, that they're cruelty free, vegan, palm oil free, don't include like SLSs and nasty things in their products, wasn't on the box. But can you imagine a box with all that listed on the front? Would you go for that kind of thing? Just a list of what they don't have in it rather than something pretty and stuff? Some of the things are here on the side. I don't know, but I'm sure that they will go onwards and upwards. Let's get it out of the packaging. This is a simple bar. Put it in your hair when it's damp. Oh, that smell is so intense, and you can really smell that it's not just lemon, it's lemongrass. And the ginger, I get the hit of the ginger and a bit of peppermint too. That's so cool. I'm sure I will give that a try. And using a shampoo bar like this, coming in cardboard, means less plastic packaging, which is always a good thing. You've just got to find the right one for you. Ditch the plastic and opt instead for this expertly formulated shampoo bar for normal hair. And this is a full size product, and it's a new product launch, so that is very exciting. Right, next up I started talking about this. This is from MEMI, I don't know. It's a rectangular box and it says expert liner on it, so it's all shiny on the front and then it's like black on the back, and it says expert liner, a precision liner that offers smudge resistant wear. The expert liner is available in black, and when you take it out of its packaging, it's like a silver pen that says MEMI expert liner on it, and when you take the lid off, I was excited to see a felt tip type lid. But what I didn't realise is that this is actually a brush. These are the lines I draw on my hand You can see you can get a thin line, a thick line, and even when you just push this down like this, you can sort of get a kind of point. That one didn't do very well. Let's do it again. Oh, but surely I haven't broken it already, have I? I've only used it a little bit. Well, initially I was getting ones like that, and then I'm getting more faint ones like that now. Oh, but it's alright. When I do the line still comes out okay. I was just trying to say that you can almost get a point. You know those ones that you stamp onto your eye and then draw the line to connect? That's what I was saying. It's actually a brush, and I don't know if you can see if I splay it out a bit. Let's try different now. Can you see? That splays out. I'm wasting this eyeliner so much. But yeah, it's a little brush on the end, and I've never had one like that. So I'm super excited to give this a whirl, and I hope it'll be great. It feels great. And does the other lines smudge? The ones I did earlier? No, they're not smudging, they're not moving, they are staying put, which is what it said. Good job, sorry. The best-selling Mimai Liquid Eyeliner Expert Liner gives you carbon black, transfer-proof, smudge and water-resistant look. Expert Liner has an intense black pigment applied with an ultra-fine tipped felt pen. It's not a felt pen, it's a felt brush that glides with ease over your eye without feathering. Now, it's been a while since I've had something from this brand, but I'm pretty sure we've seen glitter eyes before. Maybe in my glam box or something like that. But it's a pressed pigment, and it's pressed pigment refill pan, superior quality pressed pigment, handmade with love in the UK by Glitter Eyes. So that's what it's like there. Some pink and shiny. So this is in the colour Blush Beam, and that is what it looks like. How do I get it out? Oh, I see. This is what's on the lid, and you can see that it is very, very glittery. When I'm pressing that on my hand, and that doesn't feel like a pigment, it feels like just a bunch of glitter. How to ruin your makeup. Start playing with it. See a bit of extra sparkle? Although I definitely should have used a different finger. Let's use my little finger this time. It definitely goes on your eyes. So it's a pressed glitter eyeshadow. They're a dream to work with. No glue, no mess. Just glide on. They're super sparkly as most loose glitters and easily last for the desired duration. This is full size as well. Can you see this? It does, when I'm touching this, it does feel kind of soft, but it feels like it's just glitter, not pigment. Which I guess makes sense in a way. I guess if you can just press it on like this, but look how shiny that is. That's definitely taken my eyeshadow game up a level. Yeah. I guess you don't need to stick it down with anything, you just pop it on. And that's that. That's cool. It's everywhere, but it's cool. Next up, we have something from Tisserand. Seen them before in Pip Box. The thing I liked most so far is a little dabber pen that you dab on your spots with like witch hazel type stuff in it. I really like it and it works. This is the Happy Vibes Pulse Point Rollerball. Oh, we've had a rollerball before. It's a sleep one, I think. But this is lemon, tea tree, bergamot and nutmeg. Pure essential oil blend. You can rub it on your temples, behind your ears and the nape of your neck, and can also be used on the wrists. Be cheerful, smile bright and feel great. So this is just length of my palm, rectangular box with nice yellow colour. Yes, yellow is a happy colour, colour of sunshine. And it says, an uplifting blend to pop in your pocket or handbag to help keep you smiling all day. Made in the UK. Experts in blending since 1974, put your trust in our knowledge. Modern essential oil blends made with years of experience to enhance your mind, body and well-being. I'm going to have a little sniff, but I'm not going to roll it on because I've already got perfume on, so it's going to be a bit weird. It's what's inside our essential oil blends that really makes a difference, it says in the packaging. When I take it out, it's a little glass tube with a black cap with the yellow label on it again. Does it say tea tree, bergamot and nutmeg? It smells very fresh. It kind of reminds me of the shampoo bar actually. Maybe I do get a bit of the tea tree there. Okay, well that is nice enough. It's not unnice. Be interesting to give this a try to see if it makes you feel uplifted. Do I feel uplifted? Reminds me of a washing powder actually, in a nice way. You know when you're like, yes, I want my washing to stay this scent forever. I feel okay, that's for sure. I don't feel unhappy. To bring an instant burst of happiness. Well, I'm not sure I feel instantly happy, but maybe I'm not as susceptible to these things as other people are. If anyone has tried this or any of their others, do you love them? Do you feel immediately whatever they're supposed to make you feel? Let me know. This is our last item. And you know I said I like a birthday box because normally there's extra stuff. This box has the regular amount of stuff, like 5 items. There's no special 6 item, there's no sweets. So, a bit confused. But will this make up for it? Organic body butter, espresso, cocoa plus coffee with cocoa butter, shea butter, coconut oil and ground coffee. 100% natural, suitable for vegetarians and vegan, from Skin Fed. Never seen this brand before, so excited to have another new brand brought to me by the Pip Box. Well done, guys. How will I help you? It says on the back. Our handmade solid body butter exfoliate your skin worries away. I think it should be exfoliates your skin worries away. Deeply moisturise and nourish for the softest skin after each use. How to use me. Simply break a piece and take me into the bath or shower and rub onto wet skin. You'll be left with a scrubby mix of natural butters and coffee on your skin. Lightly rinse and keep the bar out of direct contact with water. It's a natural UK cosmetics brand. Our product's 100% vegan, natural and also organic. Okay, well, I've got to see what this bar looks like. I like that the paper is like a full brown paper thing there. Comes wrapped in foil, which makes you feel like you're going to get some chocolate, but it's not chocolate. So, the bar looks like a bar of chocolate into 10 pieces, 10 cubes, but the smell is very much coffee. Kind of looks like a dark chocolate bar, but when you turn it round, you have like the coffee grounds that you can see melted into the shea butter. So I guess maybe they fill a tray with chocolate on the top. Oh, it really smells of coffee, mostly. I can't get any chocolate and kind of burnt coffee. But I guess they are used coffee grounds, I imagine. And I can feel the moisture in my fingers as I'm holding the bar, as it's melting under my body heat. This is another full-size item. What do you think? 1 go per body? It's kind of a bit fiddly though, isn't it? I mean, to be fair though, coffee scrubs are fiddly. So I suppose that's fair. See, it's all on my fingers. My fingers have got the oils on them. And what do we say about this? It's a new product launch, so that's very cool that we get to see this before others. It's an in-shower moisturising and exfoliating bar. I have added up everything in this box and the total is £36.88, which is just over double the box cost. So tick, they've done a good job there. Is this a nice box? Well, I like that we've got 2 or 3, I think 3 new brands to Pip Box, and returning brands being Bloomtown, which are great, and Tisserand, which I do like. I don't mind the rollerballs. It's not a product I would naturally gravitate to if I was out and about, but I could see that some people would like it. So it is good, and it is good that they're trying to do a birthday theme and make you happy. However, does this feel like a birthday box to you? Where's the pizzazz? Where's the extra gift? Where's the sweets? Where's the £50 box value? Don't feel that this is an exciting birthday box. It's just a nice box. It's a good box. I like that we've got these new brands. I like that we've got good products that are making us think differently about the packaging. But I don't feel very birthday. I feel like a limp balloon. Yeah, quite interested in this glitter though. It's definitely done well. It's there, it's happening, it's on my eyes. Is this a good birthday box or is it just a good box? That's the question. But is it a good box? Yes. Will I be able to use everything here? Yes. So, well done Pip Box. Next year, guys, can we have a bit more? Yeah, please? Alright. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, everybody. Thank you for joining me and spending your valuable time hanging out for this unboxing. I would love to hear all your thoughts below, and until you see me next time, I hope you take care of yourselves and find something positive in every day. Bye guys. I have opened it and looked inside because I didn't realise I wasn't recording like a numpty. So, what do I want to say about this? And I do expect that vegan probably regret. And I do expect that vegan. And this way it makes there less. And using a shampoo bar like this can make there be less. I am excited because exciting things. So I'm excited. I'm excited to open. I was very excited. I was really excited. That is very exciting. I was excited. Super excited. Excited to have the best-selling Mimi lip. Sorry. Expert liner has an expert liner has a felt pen. It's not a felt pen. It's not a felt pen. What is this? And then the writing says an uplifting blend to pop in your pocket or handbag to keep. Writing on the back says an uplifting blend, and it says an uplifting blend. Straw in the box. It's a little tube with a glass. When I take it out, it's a little glass tube. This is the regular amount. This box has the regular. How will I help you? It says on the back. Our handmade. You know, one of those blowy things that just won't blow anymore. That's a good description, isn't it? What do you guys think? Am I whinging? And until you see me next time, I hope you. And until you see me next time, I hope you take care of yourselves and find something positive in every day. Bye guys.